going to share a tip. What I'm doing right now is coloring in the edge of my knife blade with black magic marker. This is just a Sharpie marker. And by doing this, it will let me know after I'm done sharpening on my sharpening stone where I made contact and remove metal or not. Blacken it all in, all the way down to the very sharp edge, right off the sharp edge. Let it dry for a quick second. Now, when you sharpen your knife, it'll show you where you removed the black marker or not. That's the part that you're making contact with. This is all the part of the blade that you missed, all right? This is just a really good visual aid to help you make contact with every part of the blade that you want it to make contact with. All right? This just helps you become better at sharpening. All right, it looks like I missed a little part up here. It's a great visual aid, it's a great teaching aid, and it really helps. All right, just like that. Now, how do you get the excess magic marker off your blade? The same way you get it off your stone, with alcohol or Windex. Wipe that off with Windex. All right, just like that.